So warm welcome to Precise. My name is Stefan and I'm the CEO for the company. I will today give you a little bit more information about the company. So please join me and enter the building. So we are now going to use the digital identity system Unique. No cards, no tags, no PIN cards, etc. You just use your body and you go into the office. So please follow me. We were actually founded in 1997 by Fredrik, and that's good and bad. The bad part was that 1997 there were no hardware available for the biometric software, but now the good part is that a lot of engineers have been with us since that time. Today we are approximately 50 people in the organization. We have our headquarters here in Lund, and then we have an office in Shanghai in Asia, and we have in Potsdam in New York State also. Here in Lund at our headquarters we are approximately 30 people. Unfortunately, all of those have not been able to be in here due to the pandemic situation, but normally we have here, for instance, the R&D team working with system management and development of the algo. We have also in Lund a lot of people working within other functions like sales and marketing, finance, and other staff functions. In Potsdam in US, we're handling all the US market, all the customer there. We're also working with the liveness development. And then we have an office in Shanghai taking care of all the customer in Asia. We have also sales rep in Taiwan and in Korea. We have today two different product lines. We have the algo, the traditional algo, where we are selling an algo to the mobile phone OEMs and computer developers. And then we have the new product line also, which is the digital identity, where we have the Unique product. The algo today is one of the world leading product. If you have a smartphone from any of the larger brands like Samsung or Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, there is a huge opportunity that actually our algo is part of the fingerprint sensor. So if you open up, it goes very fast and it's very secure, then it's based on our algo. When it comes to the digital identity, most of the development is done here in Lund. It's an end-to-end digital solution where you can utilize your different biometric to open up different applications and resources. It's an end-to-end digital solution, so you don't need any cards, any PIN codes, or any other type of a credential for open up the different application. You can just use your body. During the last 3 years, we have changed the profile of the company from a very tech-driven company. Of course, we have a lot of technology still in the base of the algorithm, but more focusing on the end consumer and the end customer. The message is, you are the key. So independent who you are, where you are and what you do, you should always have access to the digital identity in a safe and controlled way. I will now take you to the hub and show you two of our products that is available for the market. Hello, hello. So here you can see our Precise hub, and I will now show you the pad and how it's possible to enter any physical applications such as an access, for instance. So you just walk towards the pad, the tablet, you press identify with your face, and the door is open. Magic. We have it also when it comes. Another solution is with a camera. So where the camera is, open the door. Everything is digital, from how you do the enrollment to the enter of the building, touchless. And by that I will hand over later to some of my colleagues that will describe more about the different product units, the digital identity and the algo team. Thank you very much and have a nice day.